Question for you. What are you using as a content creator to chop up your long form content into micro content and share that out to your various social platforms? There's a ton of applications out there. There's tons of software out there that say they do it. They don't do a great job. There's only a handful that I really am advocating for. And this one right here, Vizard is the truth. Vizard, Vizard.ai. Everything from processing your video, transcribing your video, using AI algorithms to actually create the micro content in the various formats that you need, creating all of the captions, creating the title, all the things. Watch the video that I've got right here. This is a 45-minute file that I did, and let me take a look. 45-minute 1080p video, 1.7 gigs in length. It took all of maybe 15 minutes to go through this entire process of, again, processing, transcribing, captioning, adding the AI wizardry to it. Vizard.ai, folks, the truth. Y'all better check this out.